Hi, in this video I'll help you understand the event known as Energize Performance, how you can participate and what is there for you in the next 1 month. So Energize Performance is focused towards improving your fitness level. You will have some daily tasks, you will have some tips around movement, nutrition and recovery. So you have to spend 10 to 15 minutes time on daily basis at any point of time and do these activities and submit your score. So in this program, this is what you will see on the website. So if you scroll down, there is a small video about the event, and then you have details about the free and premium plan, what you get in the free plan and what you get in the premium plan. So free plan is free for everyone, you don't have to pay anything. The free plan is around stamina, posture and concentration of your child. There are some daily quiz and tasks that will help you build vitality. You will get a participation certificate and there is scholarship for those who do well. And the starting amount is 1000 rupees. Now let me talk about the premium plan. The premium plan, which is priced at 2000 rupees, but the special price given for this competition is 499. So you have to use the discount code special 75. I'll show you how to use that on the app also. This program is also built around stamina, posture, concentration and eating habits of your child. You will have daily quizzes, you will have champion certificate here. The scholarship amount is starting at 10,000 rupees. You stand a chance to become fitness ambassadors. Apart from that, you have access to some exclusive seminars and some sessions by experts. Now, to participate, you have to download the Extra Living app. Now, the app link is given below. This is the app link. If you have Android, you can download Android app. If you have iOS, which is basically Apple phone, you can download from your app store. Important dates: the event starts on 15th of April and it is till 15th of May. You have to participate in at least 5 of the tasks to be eligible to get a certificate. So out of 30 days, you should be doing at least 5 tasks. Now, once you download the app interface is something like this. This is the home screen for Kids app. Now, on this, you will see at the bottom, you have home, sessions, my plan, coach, and social. Now, those who want to just continue with the free plan, just go to my plan and then you will see the task which is given to you. Very simple task, 10 to 15 minutes on a daily basis, and then you get your score, something which you have to submit at the bottom. You submit the score. If you don't understand the task, you can see the detailed instructions also. You will have some videos and some content that will help you understand this movement. Now, once you submit your score, your name will come on the leaderboard. This is how the leaderboard is. You will see your name featuring here. Now, for those who are interested in signing up for the premium plan, you have to go on the side panel and then go to packages and you will see Energize Performance. You have to just click Energize Performance and you see these details. The same detail that I told you earlier. Here you have to go for purchase now and then use the coupon which I had mentioned earlier and it is given here also, which is basically special 75. You apply and you get 75% discount and the new price will become 500. You proceed and do the payment and then you will get a different plan, slightly different plan with more detailed instructions here. So for anyone, everything will come under your my plan. That is the only thing that you have to do. On daily basis, whenever you upload your score will keep changing. So if you go to performance, you will see your score. The score is based on moving average. So you will see score of nutrition, movement and recovery. And the total score is a combination of all the three different elements. You have to be consistent to have a high score. If you have a high score and if you're not consistent, your score will keep reducing. So it is based on moving average, which will help you understand how to build healthy habits. So the entire focus is around building healthy habits and to bring some consistency in your life. You have something known as Knowledge Bank. When you click on Knowledge Bank, you will see different articles also out here, which will help you understand fitness and nutrition in detail. So if you click that, you will see a lot of information out here. If you have any confusion, go to contact coach and then you can use call or chat option. You'll also see some of the other packages, which is Energize group session, one-on-one kids, then posture performance and strength and stamina. So you can opt for any one. This is different from the campaign that we are talking about. If you want a trial session, you have 1 day trial session, which is free of cost. You have to use free day as a coupon code and you can attempt that also. So I am really excited to see you perform. So all the best and let us know